Hello students, good morning. Today I am here with your worksheet number 10. Topic comprehension literature passage. As you all know students, question number 1 and 2 is of comprehension in your question paper. And these questions are very easy questions. Okay, let's do this worksheet. So students, first of all you have to read the questions. On the basis of the given passage, answer the following questions. First question is, the child visits a blank with his parents. अब स्टूडेंट्स आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया, अब आपको इसके आंसर के लिए पैसेज की स्कैनिंग करनी है। मैंने आपको पहले वाली वीडियो में भी बताया था कि पैसेज को जब आप अटैम्प्ट करते हैं तो आपको कौन सा मेथड यूज़ करना है, स्कैनिंग का। स्कैनिंग एक टेक्निक है रीडिंग करने की। स्कैनिंग इज़ ए रीडिंग टेक्निक टू फाइंड स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन क्विकली। In scanning, you have a question in your mind and you read a passage only to find the answer, ignoring अनरिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो आपको स्टूडेंट्स वही स्कैनिंग मेथड अप्लाई करना है। अब आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया है और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर जो है, ये भी मैंने आपको टिप्स दी थी कि फर्स्ट 2 सेंटेंसेस में मिल ही जाता है मोस्टली, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का अगली 2-3 लाइंस में, लेकिन फिर भी हम स्कैनिंग मेथड से इसमें देखेंगे पैसेज में। पैसेज इज द लोस्ट साइल इज ए स्टोरी रिटन बाय मुल्क राज आनंद. In this story, a child visits a village fair. Yeah, yes, your answer is there. The child visits a village fair. So, correct answer is village fair. Yes, village fair. It becomes very easy. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next question. That is second question. The father of the child ब्लैंक हिज डिमांड ऑफ टॉयस. अब हमें पैसेज में देखना है द फादर ऑफ द चाइल्ड हिज डिमांड ऑफ टॉयस कहाँ पर है। हम स्कैनिंग करेंगे पैसेज की और हमने देखा नेक्स्ट लाइन में क्या था, ही इज़ हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड फैसिनेटेड बाय द टॉय शॉप्स ऑन द वे. He demands for them and receives a cold stare of refusal by his father. Refusal is there. Okay students, when you read you can use a visual pacer. Visual pacer क्या होता है, आप अपनी पेंसिल पेन को ले सकते हैं या अपनी फिंगर को ले सकते हैं। जब आप पैसेज को रीड करें, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर ये लिया था अपना पेन, refusal by his father, this is the correct answer. So the answer of the second question is refuses. B option is correct one. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. The child gets attracted to blank in the village fair. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द पैसेज और इसमें हम देखते हैं कि कहाँ पर है हमारा द चाइल्ड गेट्स अट्रैक्टेड. ओके, नाउ हियर देयर ही इज़ अट्रैक्टेड टू ए स्वीट वीट सेलर, ए फ्लोर सेलर, ए बलून seller and a snake charmer. Okay, let's see the options. A option is a sweetmeat seller, B is a balloon man, and C is a flower seller, and D is all of them. So correct answer is all of them. The boy was attracted to all these things. Okay student, now let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Finally he gathers courage and boldly requested for. Okay, options are there. A music of snake charmer, B ride in the roundabout, C balloons, or D sweets. Okay, let's move to the passage. Finally he gathers courage and boldly requests. Okay, now scanning of the passage here, then he comes near a roundabout where he gathers courage and boldly requests for it. That means roundabout. Okay. So correct answer is ride in the roundabout. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. That is our question number 5th. He feels after getting lost. Okay, he feels blank after getting lost. अब हम अपने पैसेज की स्कैनिंग करेंगे. Okay, now let's see. He approaches near a crowded shrine about to get trampled. He sings in a loud voice, and a man comes to help him. The child is crying inconsolably, asking for his parents. Inconsolably, very sad. That means the boy becomes very sad, miserable. Okay. Correct answer is miserable. Right. Yes. Option C is correct one. Miserable. He feels miserable after getting lost. Okay. Now next question. Question number 6. The man offers the child. Okay. Blank. Options are A. Ride in the roundabout. A. Rainbow colored balloon. C is sweets. And D is all of them. Okay. Now let's scan the passage. Okay, here we come here. The man tries to soothe him by offering a ride in the roundabout to listen to the music of the snake charmer, offer a rainbow colored balloon, a garland. Okay, that means our answer is all of them. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Which part of the speech does the word inconsolably belong to? Okay, first of all we have to scan the passage and find the words inconsolably in the passage. Okay, let's skim fast. Here, let's see here okay, here in the last line inconsolably is used. Where? Okay, the child is crying inconsolably. Okay, crying inconsolably. Crying, the way of crying is inconsolably. So here it is an adverb. Adverb are those words which qualify verb adjectives. So students, correct answer is adverb. Adverb. Okay. Generally the adjective ends with ly becomes adverb, like perfectly, sadly. Okay students, now let's move to the next question. Question number 8. Why do you think the child is crying after getting lost? Okay, options are he is missing his parents, he wishes to be reunited with them, he realized the worth of his parents, all the options. Yes students, the answer of this question, let's scan the passage first. Okay, let's see. Okay, in the last line, the man tries to soothe him by offering a ride in the roundabout to listen to music of the snake charmer, offers a rainbow colored balloon, a garland to put around his neck, and a gift of sweet too. But the child refuses everything. All that he wants is his mother's and father. That means he was missing his parents. Yes. He is missing his parents. He wishes to be reunited with them. He realized the worth of his parents. All the options. Yes, all the options is the correct answer. All the options. Yes. Now I hope you understand the passage very well. Okay, student. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.